Andam na.
Andam na?
Who are your favorites?
Michael Jackson!
Kinsa, kinsa.
Michael Jackson! Michael Jackson! Michael Jackson!
Ikaw na lang announce na ni kay.
Michael!
My heart will. I want
Okay.
everybody to win.
For third place, with a score of 83.67%. Ako na to. Inside your favorite, underdog for third place, Michael Jackson.
At least 80,000!
Siyempre, good job, siyempre. Sino mo ba pa?
Alright.
Michael Jackson na nila
Ako na si Michael Jackson, oy.
Kani si Shedrick nani sa CMO Hilumon kayo ni wag yung lihok. Thank you Shedrick for the 80,000 for our cluster.
Wow, 80,000 pesos.
Maglechon ta.
And for second place, with a score of 89.58%, underdog for second place is Ricky Martin, Cluster Team 4. Ricky Martin.
Ay man si asa si Ricky Martin.
Ama Ricky Martin. Cluster Team 4. Ay din Ricky Martin.
I want to know unsa ka mo kadugaya nag-practice? How many times did each cluster practice? Okay.
Wow, dugay ha.
So each cluster practiced for almost 8 days.
Ralph!
8 times.
Ilang days tayo?
Imagine if we practiced even more, the level of
Performance,
performance. But I'm very proud of you children, very proud.
O, Ricky Martin, ari din.
Kaya naman si Ricky Martin, pinumdum ka itong Semana Santa na nigawa si Jesus na nasa iyo na anak mo.
Okay, congratulations ha.
Congratulations. Asa ka na department?
Visitors, sa visitors sa City Agriculture Office, sa City Agriculture Department.
City Agriculture Department. I love it. In charge of food security is also Ricky Martin, atong pakpakan. Woo! Mas KTIA.
Oh, ano na mo sa atong grand champion karon? How much, Mayor, ang atong grand prize?
Okay, for the third prize, they win 80,000.
Wow.
Second prize wins 90,000.
Yes.
And the grand prize, or the first prize, the winner, gets 100,000 pesos.
Okay, Mayor, Kanaog, Palihog, Pasa.
With a score of... Kinsa man?